Hi everyone, we are going to start topic 17, which is the derivative. So, okay, I zoom in. We define, that's a definition, we define the derivative, okay, it's here, yeah. So the derivative is a slope of tangent line that we already talked about it, okay? So what did we say about a slope of tangent line? If you remember, a slope of tangent line, I can show it here. A slope of tangent line is, for example, if I have y equal f of x, okay, a slope of tangent line of the tangent line at a and fa is limit f of a plus a plus h minus f of a divided by h, that h goes to 0. That's 2 points are approaching to each other, okay? So 2 points are close to each other, so going to closer and closer. So I start from a plus h, which is a very close point to a, and then I go close to a, okay? So this is a slope of tangent line at this point, okay? So maybe I can write this way that will be more readable, okay? So tangent line at this point. So we talked about this. Now we define this slope of tangent line is derivative. So we define it, okay? So when I want to find derivative, I just want to find based on x. So for example, I have a function and I want to find derivative of the function, and I want to see x because I don't want to talk about a specific point. So tangent line has a specific point, okay? So it's explaining where do I start and what should I do. It's all what I already explained in topic 16 and topic 14, okay? So I just say derivative is, we define it to be a slope of tangent line or instantaneous rate of change at a specific point, okay? So instead of a, I do just x at general, okay? So see, it is the same as that, okay? Limit, instead of a, I have a specific point, general point, which is x. Instead of h, we add delta x, okay? Doesn't matter, you can do still h, and you are going to see I do still h, because h or delta x, both are symbol. Both of them are symbol. So when I have the symbol, doesn't matter, I can use any symbol. Means a change, means a little bit, means x plus something very close to x, okay? So that's here, okay? I'm going to use h, and then I have this because I have general case x, so instead of a I use fx, instead of fa I use fx, and then here delta h, that's a change, and here h, okay? So we define what we said in topic 14 and topic 16. Now we are going to use it. So I said, okay, I want to find a slope of tangent line. How do I do it? And now I define a slope of tangent line is derivative of the function. Oh, okay, so in future somebody asks you, what is the reason I need to know derivative of a function? Because of a slope of tangent line, okay? And in future you are going to see the application of derivative. So where do we use the derivative? In order to find maximum, minimum, optimizations, and in those things, okay? So what do you have to do here? You have a function, okay? You use fx plus delta h, and many books, even Wiley Plus, they call this delta method. So when they say delta method, this means you have to find derivative using this limit. In future you are going to use formula and you are going to find derivative easier. But if I tell you I want you to find derivative using first principles or using delta method, means this. You have to consider f of x, then you have to consider x plus h or delta x. I recommend use h, that's easier for you, because sometimes I see a student, they think it's delta multiple x. No, delta x is a symbol. Delta x means change. Delta in mathematics means change. Okay, so that, then you find this limit. Some books they call derivative dy over dx. So they say dy based on x. So this is dy based on x. So dy over dx. So we don't say dy divided by dx. No, dy over dx. That means derivative based on x. Means my variable is x and I am finding the derivative based on that. Or some books, they use, so one second. Oh yes, so yeah, okay. So some books they say y prime. Some books they say f prime. Okay? So here I recommend use this. I always use that. Y prime equal limit f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. H goes to 0. Okay? I use that. So this is derivative. So some books they use this notation. So like this, dy by dx, dy over dx. So we don't call it divided. No, dy by dx or dy over dx. I always call it y prime. Okay, so we can say y is f of x, and I can say, okay, derivative is y prime, or dy by dx, dy over dx, or f prime x. We use any of those as derivative. Okay, so some books they say y prime, they use it y prime, and some dy by dx. Okay, so but doesn't matter, I use y prime. Okay, so let's do it on this example. Remember, if I say I want you to use first principle, means you have to use this method, delta method. Again, to make it easier, you don't need to use delta, because sometimes I see a student, they think it's delta multiple x. No, it's delta x, that's a symbol. Okay, so limit f x plus h minus f of x divided by h, h goes to 0. Oh, okay, so it is limit x plus h squared minus x squared over h, h goes to 0. If I substitute, it is x squared minus x squared over 0, which is 0 over 0. Oh, 0 over 0. 0 over 0, not clear, not defined. So it's not defined. I have to make it clear. Okay, so what should I do? Remember topic 15. Okay, so you expand, then you cancel. See? You expand, because then when you expand, you can cancel this and this. Oh, perfect. Then I am able to factor h. And then I am able to simplify h and h. And this is what I want. Because I have 0 over 0, this is bothering me. So now I cancel. How can I cancel? Because h approaches to 0. It's not 0. Mathematically, I am dividing top and bottom with h, and I am cancelling. I have to explain this. Doesn't matter. You don't need to explain it. Okay? So we all know. Okay? H approaches to 0. H is not 0. Otherwise, I'm not able to cancel. Okay? So then it is limit. Okay. So limit h plus 2x. H goes to 0, which is 2x. Oh, derivative of x squared is 2x. So if I have y equal x squared, dy by dx or dy over dx or y prime is 2x. Later, you are going to use formula to find that. But remember, in quiz or test, when I say I want you to use delta method or first principle, I mean this method. How about this example? How about this one? Oh, okay. So, limit f x plus h minus f of x, h goes to 0. So when I'm talking about a tangent line, I have a specific point because I say tangent line at this point. Here it's general, so I use x. Oh, okay. So limit x plus h squared plus 3 multiple x plus h plus 5 minus, I use bracket because I want to show you a step by step. Oops. Divided by h goes to 0. Okay, so it is limit x squared plus h squared plus 2xh plus 3x plus 3h. Oh, sorry, I have to show you this. When I substitute h equals 0, then I have x squared plus 3x plus 5 minus x squared minus that, okay, which is 0 over 0. Oh, okay, so I have to do something here. I can't continue this way. 0 over 0, okay, not defined. Oh, okay, so limit, I expand. See, I am using topic 15. Okay, so x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 3x plus 3h plus 5 minus x squared minus 3x minus 5 divided by h goes to 0. Okay, so can I cancel? Yes, I cancel this and that. I cancel this and that. I cancel this and that. Then it is limit. See, I cancel those. Now I am able to factor h. Try to understand. When you cancel, after, the next step is factoring h, and then you can cancel top and bottom, and then you remove 0 over 0. You remove that problem. Okay? This must be h, right? Yes. Divided by that, and then I can cancel this and this, and then it is limit 2x plus 3 plus h goes to 0, which is 2x plus 3. Okay, so if I have fx equal x squared plus 3x plus 5, f prime x is 2x plus 3. Derivative. I can say f prime x. I can say df by dx means derivative based on x. Okay? We don't say divided. So, the next one is this one. Okay. Yeah. This one here. Oh, okay. So, determine the slope of the tangent to the curve from first principle at this point. Oh, okay. Means derivative at this point. Oh, okay. So, see, I didn't say find using the first principle. Sorry, I didn't say derivative, okay? But we say slope of tangent line from first principle. So far, we talk about derivative using first principle. But remember, derivative is a slope of tangent line, so I can use the same method. When I say a slope of tangent line means I want derivative. Derivative at that point means a slope of tangent line at that point. Okay, so here it is limit f instead of x 3 plus h, because it said 3, f at this divided by that, this. Oh, okay, so it is limit 3 plus h squared minus 2 multiple 3 plus h minus 3 squared minus 2 times 3 over h goes to 0. Limit 9. Oh, okay, so let me show you. At the beginning, when you substitute, you can have 3 squared minus 2 times 3 minus 3 squared minus 2 times 3 over 0, which is 0 over 0. Okay, so undefined, I have to fix this problem. Okay, so it is limit 9 plus h squared. I'm using topic 15, so that's 6h minus 6 minus 2h, and the answer here is 9 minus 6, which is 3. Yes, okay, so I use minus 3 then. Okay, so divided by, so this means here minus 3 is this one. Okay, so yeah, divided by h goes to 0. Okay, in this case, okay, and so far you learn that right now I have to cancel 3. How can I cancel 3? Oh, 9 minus 6 is 3 minus 3, cancel each other. This is the way I want to cancel whatever doesn't have h. Whatever has h stays, because then I can factor. So it is limit h plus 6. Okay, so I could simplify it then. So okay, it's h squared plus 4h divided by that, h goes to 0, which is limit h times h plus 4 divided by that, h goes to 0, cancel each other, cancel h and h, and then it is this, which is 4. Okay, so a slope of tangent line, I can write a slope of tangent line here, I can type it. A slope of tangent line at x equal 3 for y equal x squared minus 2x is 4. Oops, what happened here? Okay, so that here. So maybe I will say that, yes. Okay, so I can just make it red, for example, here. Okay, the rest is practice, which is very similar. Okay, you can do it, and then we are done by this lesson. Okay, this is very similar, so you can find it with first principle, or I can write the formula for you, and then okay, so you can do it. Limit f of x plus h minus f of x over h goes to 0, which is limit 2 times x plus h squared minus 6 times x plus h minus, okay, so do I have a space? Yes. So it's 2x squared minus 6x over h. H goes to 0. First you substitute 0, and then you see it's 0 over 0. Then you remember topic 15. You expand, you simplify, you cancel. Then whatever has h stays. You factor h, you cancel h, and then find the answer. The rest is homework for you. Okay? If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you so much. I continue topic 18 in the next video. Bye.